Straight talk.
noma yini.
Ba bona di opportunity nthola like ba bangwe ke di criminal most of bone ba thola gore okay anka ilo cover something ko makuleng ke tlo etsa eng ka yone ke tlo etsa ke ile rekisa mara ba bang ba peta ba di rekisa dilo tsa teng ba di tsela because of for fun ba nthola ba bang ba di tsela for fun ba bang ba di tsela di opportunity ba bang ba di tsela because of go ntlung a gona next and ke opportunity very ile ka Spanish.
There's a force behind those things. There's no way that a thing can happen same time all over the place, and it's just impromptu. Basically, it was planned somewhere, and somehow it was something in Hore. And I believe the reason why they were attacked, I believe more communities are the only thing it's straightforward morona. If we lack something and if we want something, what we don't know in familiar face, in familiar people, are our first targets. And those people are obviously have been made our first targets in anything, whether it's criminal, whether it's political, whether it's logical. But obviously, they are our first target, and it's not going to end here. It's not going to end today or in the future. As long as they still remain themselves as Pakistanis and they are regarded as Pakistanis and they're owning shops, those attacks are going to be there. And those attacks, basically, I wouldn't say they are xenophobic. I don't think South Africans are xenophobic. It is just economically based, and because people are frustrated, highly frustrated.
So that thing took place there first. And then like it's like a move, I meet him 2 months. Like people, so like all these things, they were attacked because of Bashapili and police. I would store. But now I think so I want to cool a file cut from shop and take the police affair for no reason. There's something about it before.
I think they are attacked because like abantu emphakathini banalento ukuthi abantu abaphuma ngaphandle like basithathela imisebenzi banalento ukuthi like labantu abaphuma ngaphandle basithathela imisebenzi, so I think that is why bebahlasela so that baphela amandla like for lento abayenzayo yokudayisa election.
Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu base South Africa abanazolana because maybe I think bahlasela abantu abarong because isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi labantu abahlaselayo akusiyabo labantu laba abenza izinto ezirong. Bona if bazwe something wrong about ukuthi abantu bangaphandle maybe babulele umuntu or something enzekile, bona bayithatha as if wonke umuntu wangaphandle wrong, and bona ama Pakistan azozenzela business something abantu base South Africa abaningi abangakhona ukuyenza
because of hona it's like akubatlo go bua as a race. Most ya batho re lazy are ba go tswa ka Monterrey Pandar kore that's why ke opportunity comes once na we bona wa Hispanisa, so batho ba lazy go Hispanisa di opportunities tse di tlang go bone like Hispanic di ngata everywhere ko yang teng was thola Spain gore ke sa go cleaner ke sa go tlhokomela ngwana go tlhokomela ke was thola ko range re lazy bona batho.
You can ask yourself now a question, why are not created in America? Of course, they cannot create in America. I mean, it is not at this present moment more than day. Although the blame could be white people, most of the time more than day now, white people are not there. Most of the time more than day now, it is us blacks who are basically suppressing ourselves as blacks. I mean, those shops themselves, more than day, those shops are in black areas, and those shops were given by black people. At the same time, after giving those people shops, they regard themselves as barengetse mmereko mara ke bona ba ba filang di shop tseo. Basically a gona motho o renkela mmereko. I think black South Africans themselves, they are people by I wouldn't say they are lazy, okay, but they have to be studied so that they can realize that they can do things on their own. At this present moment, we are still depending on the government to do things from us, and we think that somebody is owing us something. So that is why you know what, and I say mmereko, I mean, look, I mean, there are papers always of faith. Understand? Somebody can start picking up papers and be paid, but so nobody's doing that. Instead, people are not strategy. They wait for you to do something. We wait for people to do something and start to blame. We don't blame ourselves. We don't look at ourselves and say, we black people, we are having something wrong with ourselves, especially black South Africans. Black South Africans have something wrong with themselves. Usually I say they are sick. I am sick. You are sick. We are sick.
Westerners, move out!
Ma-China ke bone ba protected because ke bone ba tlisang di-business ko di-countryng almost mo lefatsheng. So ba mo di-countryng tseo, they are most protected people. That's why re sa kgone go ya ko bone. Makula a yo protected. Le kula re ka ke le tshwara po, a never le kgone go tla ko police station ka nqa ya gore a le yo protected.
You know, there's one thing ke leng ya buiwa gale gore black people are hated everywhere and anywhere go yang teng. But the most worst thing is that black people hate themselves. Okay, that is why they first attack what is black, what is theirs. They hate themselves more than anybody hate us. I mean, the Chinese won't hire you. I mean, the Pakistanis themselves, they don't hire you. I mean, the whites, when they do their thing, they do their own things. Okay, but when the attacks come, we are going to attack first ourselves before we can do anything because we don't know how to love ourselves. Okay, actually, if it's apartheid has made us not even to consider ourselves as people. By law, they deserve the best. You can even see the areas in so somewhere, somehow, people believe that there is white preference. People prefer white. People prefer white things. White everything is preferred. So Chinese are a little bit white, okay? So they are preferred to be put aside as better people. But once you come all black, I'm telling you, it's a challenge because a black man at this present moment, especially an African, South African black person, is sick and is being taught not to love himself.
It's the individual. Ke tswa for hasela. So wa kutwa go te ntse se tsa so ka go yone shop wa makula ba to patala that hustling moment ka bone. After mo ke lo rekisa khono phanda then.
Ukuthi labantu basithathele imisebenzi kungani thina singazenzeli ethi imisebenzi because mina mangibheka lento akekho umuntu osithathele imisebenzi kahle kahle ukuthi nje these people bona bazimisele ukusebenza kanzima ithi ngikunikeze example these people uyakwazi ukuthi afike endlini yakho acela ukukwenzela ingadi and then he is willing ukuthi umkhokhele noma imali noma u10 rand right although exploiter mhlambe usebenza 13 hours for 10 rand they are okay with that but thina umuntu omnyama if ucela ukwenza they'll never work for 13 hours for 10 rand.
Ngicabanga ukuthi akukho fair because abantu base South Africa they are lazy. Abakhona ukuzenzela imisebenzi yabo isikhathi esiningi. And abona abantu abenza imisebenzi ngabo and benza ibusiness like sikhone ngizothini sikhone ukwenza like manje uyabona masla akuna shophisa South Africa yomuntu wase South Africa abantu abagcwele around ngabo and mangifuna something ngifuna ukuthenga something ngiyakubo because iShoprite imall yethu uyabona ukuthi thatha idistance engakanani thatha isikhathi eside mangiyalapha yana and yeah I think abantu base South Africa abekho fair bona kumele bazenzele ama business ngokwabo and but now I'm a Pakistan sometimes yeah but now sometimes anokuthengisa izinto ezirong we understand uthola ukuthi ukudla okunye ku expirile and stuff but ibona shame yes bayasiza kakhulu.
The South Africans, they are working in different countries. They move freely, they do whatever they want to do, and we don't bother, we don't even care whatever they do. But now the situation which is there in South Africa, we cannot like that thing to happen.
It's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand.
So what we're going to do, we are different countries here. We are Mozambicans, Somalians, Zambians, Zimbabweans, Tanzanians, Malawans. We are here. So why are we going to let our brothers suffer in different countries? So what we need now, you have to understand, what we need now, we're going to send a message to you South Africans.